Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2026 Hyundai Tucson, 8 miles in it. It's idling right now. When I press the gas pedal, you guys see that? Maybe my hand will help. How about that? They flicker. I'm gonna turn it off. We still have some voltage there though. Start it. Ha! Nothing. Let's go ahead and replace the battery. Oh, my battery's back here. And it's dead. Battery's right there. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I believe it's fully charged. It's not. Oh well. I think it has enough just to open the tailgate. Oops, it doesn't have enough. It did started it. Must have tools right here. Alright, so since this vehicle is still under factory warranty, I still need to do my test right here so we can send it to Hyundai. So when we file the claim, Hyundai will pay for it. Alright, let's go ahead and replace the battery now. We are using 10mm. Remove, what is that? The negative battery cable first. Then the positive. We're gonna use the 12mm to remove this bracket. I got the 6-inch extension, 12mm magnetic. Love this socket. It's right here. Yep, go get something magnetic, guys. Now this one is ready to be picked up. Yeah. Okay. AGM non-spillable. Part number is right here. Then we got transfer this jacket. There we go. It's gonna go this way. There we go. Cool. Install the bracket back. You cannot go wrong if you always start tightening by hand. And then just tighten it with your impact. Then when you install it, install the positive first. Tighten it. What's that?
Last time this thing had its oil changed was May 17th, 24.
24. Holy cow.
Yeah.
How much mileage?
It doesn't say.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not good.
Not good at all.
Okay, we're done with the positive. Pull this cover out. Then install the negative one. And make sure it's tight. All right. Cool. All right, so this one is not gonna work because we just replaced the battery. To make this thing work is simply close it. And after that, open it up. Then now we can close it. Cool. All right. Start the engine. That is not correct to begin with. And let's see if our windows still auto. Front of them are auto. Cool. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.